Hello, this is Kylie with Life Stationeries. I wanted to show you this little thing that I made out of just regular cards. And I put paper on both sides of them. So this is a paper of a bird. And then I had some leftover paint from, that's not ice cream. It's leftover paint from painting my house. So I ran that over a couple of times. I have some of these stickers that... right here, I got them from the dollar store, and you see how they do that? They're like tattoos. Wanted to try them out, and I'll tell you what, I am loving them. That is what's on here. And then I got some of these, I have to keep reaching, sorry. Got some of these sticky pearls from Walmart, so I got those sticky pearls on there. And this is a pair of jeans, and it opens up. So it makes an M and it opens up. So a couple of cards, and we got polka dot paper, some paper with word on it, a paper from a planning book, some more line paper, and another one of those pill stickers. I got just some fabric from a fabric roll. Like I said, this is jeans. So there's another one of those pill stickers. On the other side, which is our front, there's our bird. Line paper with style. Now see, this one kind of stuck, so I'm going to have to fix the word style. But it was one of those stickers. This is a copy of a paper my grandmother she drew this. And I just copied it so I could use it in here. And Hello Spring. And this is from a Hamlet book. And so yeah. This can go in one of your books with a paper clip to the side of your page, on the side or on the top, and then or tucked in a little pocket, and then open it up, and it's got 4 writing spaces on one side, 4 writing spaces on the other side, and yeah, that is our foldable page done with cards. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you soon.